Hey everyone, personal finance author Stefanie O'Connell from StefanieO'Connell.com here, sharing what you need to know before making an offer on your first home, so you can really stand out and increase the chances of your offer being accepted. Step 1. Get pre-approved. A mortgage pre-approval letter is essentially a conditional commitment from a lender that you're qualified to borrow up to a certain amount of money at a specific interest rate based on financial information like your income and credit history. A pre-approval letter can help demonstrate trustworthiness to sellers and help assure them of a smooth sales process. Your agent can recommend reputable mortgage lenders who can help you figure out just how much home you can truly afford. Step 2. Research selling prices on comparable homes and check the history of the property to get an idea of fair market price. Your agent can help you determine whether the seller's listing price is fair by comparing the house you're bidding on to similar properties recently sold in the neighborhood. You can also see what similar properties sold for by checking local listings on Realtor.com or other property listing sites. Step 3. Make a strong earnest money deposit. An earnest money deposit is a dollar amount homebuyers put into an escrow account after a seller accepts their offer. It shows the seller that they're serious about buying the home because they may have to forfeit the cash to the seller if they back out of the deal. Earnest money deposits typically range from 1 to 3% of the home price, though some could be as high as 10% depending on the location and the real estate market. Earnest money is typically applied to the down payment. Step 4. Consider your contingencies. Waiving contingencies, like the right to have the home inspected, can improve the chances of your offer being accepted. But that's very risky if the prospective home you're interested in has a major issue like mold or cracks in the foundation. Your agent can help you determine whether there are any contingencies you can waive to make your offer more appealing without putting yourself in a risky situation. Step 5. Add provisions that specify who will pay for closing costs. In a very competitive market, a buyer might offer to pay some seller closing costs to make their offer stand out. However, it'll depend on the specific situation, given that who pays for what in terms of closing costs can vary from state to state. Step 6. Consider writing a letter of interest, especially in a multiple offer situation. Writing a personal letter to the seller explaining what you like about the home and how much it will mean to you or your family can help personalize your offer and make it more appealing. Remember, your purchase offer becomes a binding sales contract if the seller chooses to accept it. So it's important that you put it together thoughtfully and include all of the necessary elements, including those required by state and local laws. These can vary from place to place, so working with an agent who specializes in your local area can help make sure you cover all of your bases while providing additional insights and customized tips that really make your offer stand out.